Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Do you feel that? That life force flowing through you right now. That's prana. It's not just air. It's the universal energy that animates all existence. In this video, we'll explore how to use breathwork to manifest your intentions, to align your vibration and to amplify your manifesting power using the sacred force of prana. What is prana and why it matters in manifestation? Prana is the vital life energy that flows through everything, through your body, your thoughts, and the universe itself. Breathwork is how we regulate, purify, and expand this pranic current, turning your breath into a manifestation tool. Preparation. Setting your intention. Before starting breathwork, always center your mind and heart. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your heart. Now, think of one intention you wish to manifest. It could be peace, abundance, or healing. Visualize it clearly, not from longing, but from gratitude and faith. Say quietly in your mind, with each breath I amplify this energy. I breathe life into my intention. The manifestation breath technique. We'll use a simple yet powerful prana-based technique. Phase 1. Cleansing the energy field. Inhale deeply through the nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath for 4 counts. Exhale slowly through the mouth for 6 counts. As you exhale, imagine releasing all stagnant or fearful energy. Do this for 3 to 5 rounds. Your body begins to reset, clearing space for your intention to take root. Phase 2. Activating the manifestation current. Now that your field is clear, begin to breathe in a circular rhythm. No pause between inhale and exhale. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth, both smoothly connected. As you breathe, visualize golden light entering your heart and expanding outward. Each breath charges your aura with prana, the same creative energy that shapes the universe. Feel your body tingling with aliveness. After about 2 minutes, return to normal breathing and notice how alive your energy feels. Phase 3. Infusing the intention. Now bring your intention back into focus. With every inhale, imagine you are drawing the energy of your intention into your body. With every exhale, visualize sending that energy into the quantum field. Say to yourself, I breathe in creation. I breathe out manifestation. 4. Sealing the energy. Gratitude and surrender. After 5 to 10 minutes of breathwork, place your hands over your heart. Whisper softly, thank you. It is already done. Gratitude seals your energy field with trust. Your breath is now your bridge between the seen and unseen. When you control your breath, you control your vibration. And when you master your vibration, you master your reality. So the next time you feel doubt, come back to your breath. Let's grow together. One breath, one intention at a time.